This book is one of the most important things here in my workshop right now, and it is vital to the success of my homestead.
Well, the smoke just settled down when you appeared, and your face, it made my vision crystal clear. If I miss my destination, that's alright with me, 'cause now there's somewhere else I've gotta be. Well, even if I met you in another life, still feel like I would end up with you. You've got this kind of energy that makes me smile. I just want to settle down with you. My marigold, your marigold, and my marigold, your marigold, and style is classic in a modern way. I never dance, but with you I dance the night away. If we keep our good intentions and sell what we don't need, then life will bring us more than we can keep. Even if I met you in another life, still feel like I would end up with you. You've got this kind of energy that makes me smile. I just want to settle down with you. My marigold, your marigold, and my marigold, your marigold, and
So this is something that I've been wanting to put together for a long time. And today was a rainy day and I had plans for working outside, and when that happened, I thought, you know what, I'm going to get it taken care of. Now, it's still a long way from being finished. I started putting it together a while ago, but finally just started putting the information in it today. Now here on the property, I've got a lot of equipment. Lawnmowers, vehicles, chainsaws, tractor, and they all require consumables, whether that be batteries, belts, oil filters, whatever it may be. And having those things on hand, ready to go, and be able to easily replace them is key to be able to maintain your equipment. So I'll kind of show you what I've done here. The first page, this is my grasshopper. I've got the model number, I got the serial number, what engine's in it, what type of oil, the amount of oil, the part number for the filter. Still need to get the part number for the air filter and the spark plug. I have the part number for the hydraulic drive belt, the hydraulic oil filter, the clutch belt, and I still need to get the part number for the deck belt. And I'm going to get a spindler and idler and keep those on hand. All these parts I want to get on a shelf sitting there, so if I break down, I can repair it right then and then replace. Now I already have some of that. I have a deck belt and I have a drive belt. I think I used up my clutch belt here, and I'm not sure if I've ordered another one or not. But I'm going to be organizing this as I go, and you can see I've done the same thing. I've got my Cub Cadet, the John Deere, I left a blank section in the front with the mowers because I will probably eventually get a new mower. Then I went to my tractor, then I've got my chainsaws, edger, string trimmer, auger, generator, and I've left several blank sections because I do plan on getting certain pieces. And I've got several blank tabs to go. Now also, let me go back here. On the second page, for each tab, I have a total of 3 pages. So you can see here that I show when I replace the battery and the last oil change, and I'm going to start tracking hours. It'll be easier on the equipment that has hour meters, but most of them don't. Then here I've got needs, things that need to be done to replace. You see here I need to replace the hood struts on the Cub Cadet. I've got the part number for that, I just need to order it. For the John Deere, I've got things that need to be replaced. And now, with one quick look, I can know what part I need and what the part number is without trying to take the time to stop and Google it. Now, I'm not sure if you would call this a journal, a records book, but whatever you want to call it, it's one of many like it that I have here on my property, all for different things and all equally important. I have some for personal growth, some for instance, I started one this year for my garden, and I'm going to keep record each year of, for instance, where I planted different vegetables in the location in the raised bed, things that worked, things that didn't work, when I planted them, when I harvested them, so I can keep a record of what kind of timeline I'm looking at. All these things can help me year to year to continue to improve and get better and better. Now in the near future, I plan on turning my raised garden bed into a greenhouse, and then my record keeping will become even more important because I'll have more cycles, and it'll be that much more important that I stage them just right. If you like these type of videos, click that thumbs up button. If you don't like them, then click the thumbs down button, but leave me a comment, tell me what you don't like or what you'd like to see different so I can get better. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you, and if you want to get notified, make sure you click the bell so it'll tell you when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.